guys, welcome back to Sadie B Has You Covered. I am back with another video. I'm keeping them rolling. I told you guys I was gonna be consistent, so here they go. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Please subscribe and click the notification button so I don't get lost in the sauce and you can find my videos as soon as they're uploaded. So let's get into today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Ipsy glam bag. And if you guys aren't familiar, it's a subscription service for $9.99 a month. And they send you a cute little bag with sample size products in it. It's similar to Birchbox, if you guys have ever heard of that. So what they do is $10 a month, you get the bag with the sample products, and then you can try the products. Often these sites sell the fuller size product if you do enjoy it for you to buy after the fact. So we're gonna be opening my February bag, and this is my first ever Ipsy bag. I've never done it. I've never done Birchbox. I did Birchbox for my aunt as a gift, but I've never done it for myself. So I know nothing about these. So we're gonna get into it, see what products I have. Also, I wanna note, when you sign up for these subscription services, what happens is you get to fill out this long survey about what your skin is like, what type of makeup do you like, what your hair is like, and they send you products based on what you say. So we're gonna see what's going on, and I'm gonna be able to share a little bit more about the products. I have my iPad here just to read off what they're supposed to do. So let's get into this, okay? And also, you guys, I straightened my hair, but I got a little overzealous with the toner. I got this Kenra toner because I lighten my hair, and it's a hair mask toner, but it is strong. So it's a little on the ash side, a little bit too ashy, but I don't want my hair to dry out, so we won't fix it until next wash day. So let's get into this Ipsy bag, okay? I dropped my scissors. So it comes in this shiny packaging, and we're just gonna cut this open and see what's inside. All right, so the first thing I see is Meteor Shower Black. And this is a scrub with shimmer, and it's a meteor shower scrub that you massage onto your body, not just your face, and you get it wet. But it has an interesting ingredient. I remember reading about this before I got it. Yeah, sea salt flakes and meteorite powder. So it looks really cool. It's black. Oh, I'm kind of excited to try this. Like, I love a good scrub, especially as we start to get warmer and we're heading into the spring and the summer. Ladies, if you want your skin to be glowing, a good scrub often to get all that dead skin off and putting oils on, it helps, because when you do a scrub in the shower and you get out and your skin is still wet and you put like a shea butter or an oil on, it penetrates a little bit deeper so you get this nice glow. Yes. Okay, so that's one of the things I got in here. I'm not sure if this is extra because it's not in this cute little bag, but maybe they couldn't fit it in there. Isn't this a cute bag? Look at this. A little nice lace detailing. So let's open this up and let's see what we have. So the first thing I see is just this little card right here from Ipsy. Next, we have Bang Beauty, and this is a blush. So let's check this out and see what this looks like. All right. All right, Bang Beauty. Oh, Bang Beauty, we can't get you open. You know, I had acrylics on for the holidays and my nails are so soft. I am not trying to use those bad boys. Ladies, you know what that's like, because they bend and it hurts. Yes. So, one second.
Six and a half hours later.
So, finally got this bad boy open. That's what happens. Oops. Finally got this bad boy open. That's what happens when you're doing this thing for the first time, like a first impression. Things don't always go right. But this is a gorgeous color. Oh my gosh. This color is called Showstopper, which it is. So let's do a quick swatch. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, that is gorge. Okay. All right, Ipsy. I don't know if it's worth the hassle of opening it, but we will see. We will try this on. Okay, great. So we're going to put this back in the box and get to our next item. Okay, what do we have here? We have a brush from Luxie, and this is the 249 brush. There it is right here. And this is a dual-sided brush. So this is more of like a blending brush, like if you're wanting to blend that crease out really good. It's really nice for that. And this side, when they're flatter, they're always more dense, and they're used for packing, like packing on the lid. So we're gonna try this out in the next video where I do a makeup look and see how this works. I like it, nice color. Next we have a Come Undone, and this is a makeup remover, and this is all natural, just a little sample size here. And try that out, because sometimes, you know, when you have liquid eyeliner on, it's hard to get off, so you want something greasy, and this turns into a more milky substance when you start to mix it with water. So it makes it a little bit easier to remove those hard and stubborn eyeliners. Next we have Mask, and this is going to be like a foiled type eyeshadow. Just a little sample size here. We're gonna swatch this. You can wear it dry or you can wet it and get that like super foiled look. Like my eyeshadow look today, I wet it. It doesn't look foiled, but it makes it deeper. It makes it a little bit shinier. It makes it stand out. It makes the pigment more rich looking. So let's open, ooh, okay. I'm the struggle bus today with opening these products. All right, okay. So I'm gonna tap a little bit into the lid here, and then we'll swatch this. Ooh, this is pretty. Now, I'm not a big fan of like cool tone eyeshadows. Like I'm a warm girl all day, but I will do some silvers here and there with like a black eyeshadow in the outer corner. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty, you guys. That is gorge. Ooh, so this is it dry. Now let's wet it. So I'm gonna like wet my finger with a little bit of Fix Plus, and then we're gonna dab back into that and see what it looks like foiled. I think I like it dry better. I mean, it's definitely richer. It definitely gives you a more foiled look, but I think either way would be pretty. So that's my finger wet, if you can see that there. And then this is the foiled side right there, the one I wet with the Fix Plus on the end here. And so that is all my products for Ipsy. We'll do this again next month to see what I got. This is February's bag again, so when March rolls around, we will do one of these again. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in another 2 days. I'll be posting another video. It's gonna be about my Sephora favorite lipstick. So I cannot wait to see you guys again. Thank you for tuning in.